Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will cover the 100 current affairs of 2025, which is very useful for your upcoming exams. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. Where was the first World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Who took oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Justice B.R. Gavai. Which country topped the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, Norway. और वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम इंडेक्स 2025 में इंडिया की रैंक है 151. What is the name of the military operation launched by India in retaliation for the Pahalgam terror attack? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Bangkok, Thailand. Who is the current Foreign Secretary of India? Correct answer is option B, Vikram Misri. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2025? Correct answer is option B, 118th. Who has been appointed as the President of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C, Mohsin Naqvi. What was the theme of the 9th Global Technology Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, Sambhavna. And the 9th Global Technology Summit was held in New Delhi. Who became the India's first woman law secretary? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Who became the youngest player to score century in T20 cricket? Correct answer is option D, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Where is India's first quantum computing village being established? Correct answer is option C, Amaravati, Andhra Pradesh. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai. Which two Indian texts were recently added to the UNESCO's Memory of the World Register? Correct answer is option B, Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra. What is the official mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025 held in Bihar? Correct answer is option C, Gaj Simha. Where was the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Paris. Who has been honored with the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Sustainability in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dalai Lama. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Who won the Best Actor award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Karthik Aryan. Where was the Khelo India Para Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Which Indian state became the first to implement scheduled caste subcategorization? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Who has been awarded the Abel Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Masaki Kashiwara. Who won the Best Director Award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kiran Rao. What is the name of the relief mission launched by India for earthquake hit Myanmar and Thailand? Correct answer is option B, Operation Brahma. Which state became the first Indian state to implement a uniform civil code? Correct answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Which two countries conducted the bilateral naval exercise Varun 2025? Correct answer is option B, India and France. Which film won the Best Picture award at the 97th Academy Awards? Correct answer is option C, Anora. Which of the following bill has been passed by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan. Where was the Bharat Calling Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai. Which country became the 10th full member of the BRICS group in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Indonesia. Which country built the world's first 3D printed train station? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Which two companies were granted Navratna PSU status by the Indian government on 4th March 2025? Correct answer is option B, IRCTC and IRFC. Where was India's first World Peace Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Gurugram. Where was the fourth No Money for Terror conference held? Correct answer is option B, Munich, Germany. Where was 38th National Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Correct answer is option A, Jai Shri Venkatesan. What was India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 105th. Who won the Women's Premier League 2025? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai Indians. Which among the following national park declared as the 58th Tiger Reserve of India? Correct answer is option B, Madhav National Park. Who became the fastest batter to reach 14K ODI runs? Correct answer is option B, Virat Kohli. Which fintech company became India's first unicorn of 2025? Correct answer is option C, Just Pay. Who won the Aditya Birla Memorial Polo Cup 2025 held in New Delhi? Correct answer is option A, Rajnigandha Achievers. What is the theme for World Earth Day 2025? Correct answer is option A, Our Power, Our Planet. Who was honored with Fiji's highest award, the Companion of the Order of Fiji in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Madhusudan Sai. Who has been appointed as Canada's new Liberal Party leader and Prime Minister? Correct answer is option B, Mark Carney. The 12th edition of the India Kyrgyzstan Joint Special Forces exercise Khanjar 12 was held in which country? Correct answer is option B, Kyrgyzstan. Who was honored with the National Maritime Varun Award during the 62nd National Maritime Day celebrations? Correct answer is option B, Captain Rajesh Unni. Who has been appointed as a full-time member of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option A, Rajiv Gaba. Which team topped the medals table in 38th National Games? Correct answer is option A, Services. Which player won the Indian Open 2025 squash title? Correct answer is option C, Anahat Singh. Who became the first African woman Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations on 1st April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shirley Ayorkor Boshwe. Where was the Army Commanders Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. What was the theme of India's 76th Republic Day parade in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Swarnim Bharat Virasat aur Vikas. Who has been appointed as India's new finance secretary? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Which team won the Ranji Trophy 2024-25? Correct answer is option D, Vidarbh. Who has been appointed as the 11th chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India? Correct answer is option C, Tuhin Kant Pandey. In which city did the 37th Kathak Mahotsav take place in 2025? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who won the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Where was Global Investor Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Bhopal. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2024? Correct answer is option A, 96th. Where has Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced the setting up of Makhana Board? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. Who became the world's youngest chess champion? Correct answer is option B, Gukesh Dommaraju. Who became the first Indian woman to win the National Car Racing Championship? Correct answer is option C, Diana Pundole. Who was named the ICC Men's Player of the Month for March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shreyash Iyer. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital? Correct answer is option B, Samantha Harvey. Which state has become the first to establish a Senior Citizens Commission? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Which violinist was honored with the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award? Correct answer is option B, R. K. Shriram Kumar. Which Indian university is ranked 38th in the Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2025? Correct answer is option B, Indian Institute of Science. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization? Correct answer is option A, V. Narayanan. Who was sworn in as the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option A, Kash Patel. What is the new name of Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra? Correct answer is option B, Ahilyanagar. Which state won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25 for the fifth time? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which country emerged as the leading source of foreign direct investment into Dubai? Correct answer is option D, India. Where was the inaugural Rihanna Middle East Conference held in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Abu Dhabi. Where was the first Bharat Steam Boiler Expo 2024 held? Correct answer is option A, Guwahati, Assam. Which city has been announced as the second capital of Assam? Correct answer is option A, Dibrugarh. How many Padma Awards have been given in the year 2025? Correct answer is option B, 139. What rank did India achieve in the 2025 Global Firepower Index? Correct answer is option B, 4th. Who has been appointed as a whole-time member of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Correct answer is option C, Swaminathan S. Iyer. Who inaugurated the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav. What major diplomatic agreement did India suspend following the Pahalgam terror attack? Correct answer is option A, Indus Water Treaty. Who has assumed charge as the chief executive of the Indian Banks Association? Correct answer is option D, Atul Kumar Goyal. Who has recently taken charge as the Controller General of Defense Accounts? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Mayank Sharma. Who was sworn in as Uruguay's new president? Correct answer is option A, Yamundu Orsi. Who won the Best Actress award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Nitanshi Goyal. Where was the second edition of Vividhata Ka Amrit Mahotsav held? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Who became the first Indian to summit Mount Shishpangama? Correct answer is option C, Arjun Bajpai. Who was awarded the UNEP's the Champions of the Earth Lifetime Achievement Award in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Madhav Gadgil. What is the new name of Fort William? Correct answer is option C, Vijay Durg. Who has been appointed as the chairman and CEO of the Railway Board? Correct answer is option B, Satish Kumar. According to the Hurun Global Rich List 2025, what rank did India achieve globally in terms of the number of billionaires? Correct answer is option C, third. Where was Global Justice, Law and Peace Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Indian Weightlifting Federation Athletes Commission? Correct answer is option D, Mirabai Chanu. What was the mascot name of Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ujjwala. Who received the prestigious IAF World Space Award in 2024? Correct answer is option B, S. Somnath. Who has been elected as the new chairman of the Indian Banks Association for the upcoming fiscal year? Correct answer is option D, Challa Srinivasulu Setty. Which nation's men's and women's team won the first Kho World Cup in 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you: who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? So friends, share your answer in the comment box and I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.